Do you want to add text to Facebook story? You can put text only on a Facebook story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add text only to your Facebook story. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the plus Create Story option at the top left of your newsfeed. A new screen appears. Select the text option at the top. Now, a text editor screen will appear where you can type your message. Write your text in the box and use the options to change the font style, text color, and background color. You can also mention it to your friends. Once your text looks the way you want, tap Done at the top right. Lastly, tap Share to post your text-only story on Facebook.